Do you know how many people are affected by diabetes worldwide? It might surprise you to learn that an estimated 422 million people grapple with this chronic metabolic disease. To put it into perspective, that's about 1 in every 11 people. It's a sobering thought, isn't it? Now, you might ask, what exactly is diabetes? Well, stick around and we're going to break it down for you. Diabetes is a condition characterized by elevated levels of blood glucose, which, if left unchecked, can lead to serious damage to the heart, blood vessels, eyes, kidneys, and nerves. The primary culprit? Insulin, or rather the lack thereof. There are 3 main types of diabetes: type 1, type 2, and gestational diabetes. Each one is unique in its causes, symptoms, and treatments. Type 1 diabetes, often diagnosed in children and young adults, occurs when the body does not produce insulin. Imagine your body as a car and insulin as the key. Without the key, the car just won't start. Similarly, without insulin, our bodies can't process and use the glucose from the food we eat. Next up is type 2 diabetes, the most common type, usually seen in adults. This is characterized by insulin resistance or insufficient insulin production. It's like having a faulty key. It's there, but it just doesn't work as well as it should. Lastly, we have gestational diabetes, which occurs during pregnancy. It's like having a temporary key that works for a while but goes away after the baby is born. However, it does increase the risk of developing type 2 diabetes later in life. Now you might be wondering, how can I prevent this? Well, there are effective approaches to prevent type 2 diabetes and its complications. Regular exercise, healthy eating, avoiding smoking, managing blood pressure and lipids, these are all important factors. Access to affordable treatment, including insulin, is also critical for people living with diabetes. Remember, diabetes is associated with a higher risk of various health problems, including heart disease, stroke, kidney failure, and vision loss. So how about we take a moment to acknowledge the importance of awareness? Awareness of diabetes, its risk factors, and the necessary steps for prevention and control. And finally, remember, regular checkups are your best defense against this silent invader. A healthy lifestyle today can prevent diabetes tomorrow, so make that change, take that step, and secure a healthier future. Because your health is worth fighting for. And that, friends, is a brief overview of diabetes. Stay tuned for more informative videos and don't forget to take care of yourselves.